Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen. Hope all are you doing great. It's a great opportunity for me to introduce myself before you today. I believe that every interaction is a chance to reflect not only who we are, but who we aspire to desire. So I humbly begin. This is Maria. I was born and brought up in Dhaka, the heart of Bangladesh. But presently, I live in Savar, a place that blends the nature of calmness with the rhythm of the city life. Recently, I have completed my graduation from Government Titumir College, which is affiliated with the University of Dhaka with a major in psychology. Green is my favorite color as it reminds me growth, peace, and fresh beginnings. In my free time, I prefer reading books that enrich my mind and soul. I do not enjoy listening to music and watching movies, as I feel they often distract me from my goals. I really enjoy traveling to different places. My future plan is to become a professional psychologist. I want to dedicate myself to helping people who are suffering from mental issues. In conclusion, I would like to say I always try to spend my time doing things that add value to my life. I believe with sincerity and patience, every dream can turn into a reality. Okay, thank you so much for hearing me patiently, and may we all keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.